Okay, Mrs. Hoyt, here we go. So you have this activity. It's called Click Battle Baseball. And Mr. Red shows up in it. Baby Yoda shows up in it. And you show up in it. So just beware. You know how to do this. When you go to the green button, go ahead and click on a single session code. And you could set this up for just maybe either 48 hours or for 2 weeks. Up to you. I'll create the invitation code and then click on the View Dashboard button for it. And you'll just need to provide this link to your students. If I can be there this week, I know I'm at Pleasant Run on Monday. If I can be there when you're giving it, love to hang out with you guys while you do it. But again, if I'm there. So you get that link to your students in Google Classroom, and you'll know they populated here. You can probably do a little bit more controlling, and I'll show you this on Monday. But you can kind of pace the kids through this activity if you'd like. Now, what does this activity look like? So the first things first. So let me go in here as a student so they can see what this looks like. So they're going to practice clicking a button as quickly as they can to move people around a base path, but they're going to practice first. So right away they're asked, if you were going to click a button, how many clicks do you think you could make in 10 seconds? And the kids got to make a guess here. So I'm going to say 20. And they'll share that with everyone else. And then they're literally going to click. They'll do this for 5 seconds. So it's a little bit of a lag because of the recording. And so I got 24 clicks. And then the kids are going to be asked again, this is actually, I'm going to gather all of their data, how many clicks they did. And then I show them how many clicks they had total as a class. So that'll be probably a pretty big number. And then they're going to click for 10 seconds. And so get them to reason about, if you clicked 24 times in 5 seconds, how many clicks would you make in 10 seconds? So I should probably make twice as many clicks, but see if the kids can get that. And then they're going to get a chance to do that. So again, they're just practicing clicking quickly for a certain amount of time. And so when I click this for 10 seconds, I should be right around 40 something clicks or a little bit more. And there you go. So I've got 63 clicks. And so now let's go ahead. Again, I record all the data so you could discuss these dot plots with your kids and what the dots mean. And then now we're getting ready to move into the baseball. And up here at the top, the total number of clicks in 10 seconds. So we're going to record a large number. It's going to take all of the clicks for all the kids in the class, and it's going to record that there. And then I want to know is how fast can you click to move around the bases? And so there's our first instance of Baby Yoda. And so the idea is this. Everyone, you're going to get 3 attempts to do this. You'll do this activity 3 times. So they click on the button as quickly as they can, and this button eventually will be disabled when they get back to home, and then their fastest or their time for this activity will be recorded. And so they'll do that for Mr. Red, and then we're going to show all the times in the class on this dot plot. And then they'll do it again for Baby Yoda, and we'll show all their data, and then they'll do it again for you. So sorry about that. And then we'll show the dot plot of all of those times. And we'll show the fastest time overall. I don't know who that would be. Someone will know what their time is, but we'll show the fastest time for everyone. So that is my baseball themed activity. If there's something you'd like to see, or if you'd like me to remove your picture, I'm more than happy to do that. Just let me know what you'd like me to do or any changes you'd like to make.